Welcome to Absolute Legends. I am Paul Fraser, I am Pete, I am back, and it's another weekly rotation. This is week 5. This is from the 12th or 13th of May all the way through to the 19th. So as always, we're going to let you know what I've done each and every day. So as always, crack on with Monday. Right, we crack on into the start of the week, and we've gone with an oldie but a goodie. It's been a few years since I've tried this one, and I thought, let's revisit it. And this from House of Bvlgari, this is Terrae Essence, and my bottle looks a bit napped, I'll be honest with you. It doesn't look the best. I've seen it in better shape, but the fragrance itself is still pretty decent. So this for me is a real earthy, simple, clean fragrance with citron, some vetiver, some styrax, and again earthy tones in this. Very easy to wear, perfect for the spring. Again, I'm not having too many complex fragrances at the moment. I just find that these are more fun, they're easier to wear. And Alberto Maria's did this one, so again, he didn't do a bad job of this one. It's a little bit different. It's not the normal run-of-the-mill stuff that you'd normally get, but this, a little bit different, a little bit more fun, a bit playful in my books. But most people might not look like this one because it's a bit safe. But for me, sometimes this is what you want. This is Mondays, it's Bvlgari Matiere Essence. Alright, Tuesday comes, and I've gone with a classic from a couple of years back, and this from the House of Armani, and this is Acqua the Eau de Parfum. Again, Alberto Maria's did this one, so this one, again, I have to say the atomizer on this is fantastic, so I really like this one. It is, again, a clean, simple, fun, easy fragrance, and you'll find there's one or two that are slightly off-center, but in general, I'm kind of going with that theme. But seeing there's some lavender, again, fresh, slightly florally, I kind of like that. It's what I'm into at the moment. Vetiver, touch of patchouli in this, again, simple, classy fragrances. I don't want anything too complex. The weather's all over the place in the UK, and who knows what's happening at the moment. Bit mad, bit weird, but this one for me is an absolute classic gem. And to be honest with you, most of the Acqua line is a classic one. So this was my Tuesday. This is Armani Acqua EDP. Alright, Wednesday comes, and I went a bit of a throwback feel because, quite frankly, I can. I saw this and I haven't worn it probably a year or two. And this one has a Burberry. This is Brit Rhythm. This is the EDT version. It's not the intense version. This one's a real nice one. Came out in 2004. It also won the Fragrance of the Year for 2005, which is quite cool, and the marketing campaign for this one. So again, a little bit different. But this is a bit more spicy. It's got some ginger, some cardamom, so it's a little bit spicier. Again, weather was all over the place in England, so obviously you see, the warmer the days, you're fresh as it was. But this was a little bit more spicy and a bit more fun with it. Some wild rose, some cedar, and a bit of nutmeg in this. Again, fun, simple fragrance, but again, that cheap. This runs about 30 quid, so again, a really affordable fragrance. Not many people in the community are talking about this anymore, and I don't know why. It's a really nice, fun fragrance that you can wear anytime, any place, anywhere. It's got enough spice in here, it's a fresh enough fragrance. Great little number. So from Burberry, for Wednesday, Brit Rhythm. Alright, we crack on in to Thursday, and this is going right back to about 30 years. And this is an original style bottle that's changed the bottles, I think. Guerlain's doing all this. This is Heritage, and this is a great little number. No one talks about Heritage anymore, but it has got that old school vibe. So again, if you don't like this, like the carnation sort of stuff, you won't like this one. There's got juniper, some lemon in here. Again, old school, very almost like a barbershop fougere style, a little bit, but spiced up a little bit more in my books. It's also got violet, some jasmine, some nice creamy sandalwood in the base. There's loads of notes in here, and to be honest with you, I couldn't rack them all off. But again, with the weather being a bit temperamental, it's one of those things that you just wear something a bit more nostalgic, a little bit more fun, a bit more playful. And you know, I'm here to try all sorts of things, and I quite like going back to the old school. So this is for me, Thursdays, this is Guerlain heritage. Alright, Friday comes and we go in with a fun one from 2019, but this is a unisex fragrance. Men and women can pull this off, it's quite easy. In the house of Matiere Premier, this is Neroli Oranger. This one is a small bottle, but it is a real nice one, but it has quite a lot of florals in there, so if you don't like florals, might not be for you. It's got Neroli, Orange Blossom, Ylang Ylang, bit of musk in here. It's not for everyone, I'll be honest with you. You have to have a certain mindset, and it was warming up again on the Friday. Great little number. I do think it's pretty underrated. I need to spy out some more from this house, but that's when I can, as and when. But this one was a great little number. Weather warming up, a little bit different, and I haven't worn this. Well, I think I went once, maybe twice. Get a few more wearings out of it, see how it goes. So this is Friday. This is Matiere Premier. This is Neroli Oranger. Right, weekend in, and this is from yesterday, and it was warming up nicely, and I went for a bit more of a blue fragrance, but a niche blue fragrance. This is Nishane, this is Edge. This is a great little number, but it's all got some very unique notes, and it's licorice in here that really sets it apart. Now, I won't say it's an absolute blue fragrance. I'd say they're trying to do a spiced up version of this blue fragrance, but it's also got some anise, some yuzu, basil in here, some really unusual notes. So it is more pumping out some more oomph on this than your typical blue fragrance, like a Dylan Blue or Dior Sauvage. So some mint in here again, which keeps it fresh, but this is not your typical. I will say this: sample this one first. It definitely needs. You can't just blind buy this one. I think if you do that, you're a bit silly. But it's a long, fun one for me. And this is the sunny Edge for Saturday. Right, excuse me to today, and this is my second of the day also. From Emir corner, this is Vibrant Vetiver Delight, and this I think is a clone of one of the Byredos. I can't remember which one it is, so that's fine. But this is a very citrusy, vibrant vetiver fragrance, like it says on the name, like it says vibrant on it. They aren't lying, it does exactly what it says on the bottle. It's also got some violet leaf, which makes it smell like a bit of a cucumber vibe. It does perform pretty well, and you might have to reapply it. This is about 6-7 hours from my skin. A great little number, really criminally underrated. Doesn't cost that much, I'd say in the 30 quid mark. So for me, this one's for today, and this is from Emir Corners as Vibrant Vetiver Delight. Right, another week in the books, and as always, let me know in the comments what your scent of the day is, and if you've got a top 10 list, a focus review, or a question, hit me up in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Keep subscribing because I'll keep pumping out content for you. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, and I'm posting that, and if you'd like to DM me there, be my guest. And as always, you absolute legends smell amazing. Thank you so much for watching. So